Well, it is January 25th. That big old blizzard came through last night. We were supposed to get 6 to 10 inches of snow, possibly a foot in some areas. And as you can see, yeah, we got a whopping inch of wet, slushy snow. And, of course, everybody closed the schools down because, you know, an inch of snow, that's a big deal. And, yeah, that didn't happen. Even now, they keep saying that, oh, it's just a hair above 32 degrees, but we can see here on the porch it's above that. And it stayed like that all night. So, no, the big snow didn't come out, even though it seems odd to me that people keep saying, oh my gosh, the roads, they're just treacherous. It's just a slushy snow, that's all it is. But the roads are treacherous. My gosh, life-threatening if you get out. And there's a inch of snow. So, all I can say, people, stop repeating what is being said on the news and the weather stations and going by computer models, and step outside once in a while and see exactly what's going on for real. Talk to you later.